Disan!
1, 2, 3.
We are the best! Among the rest! Can we begin? We rock the joy! To you the fiend! Boom, yellow lion! Boom, yellow lion! Boom, yellow lion! Boom, 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 yellow lion!
1, 2, 3, go.
Sana within this week daw.
All I want for Christmas is you!
Are you ready, pirates?
Aye, Captain!
I can't hear you.
Aye, Captain!
Let's move. Give way.
Pirates are on the way! Move! Give way! Pirates are on the way! Move! Give way! Pirates are on the way! Move! Give way! Pirates are on the way! Black sheep in your area! B-L-A-C-K! 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 Black sheep in your area! 6, 7, 8. Here we are again to the mighty black sheep team is always the real thing. In everything in everything. The mighty black sheep team is always the real thing. Give me an L. Give me a G. There was
What's the name for last Monday and black was the color assigned to them.
the team agreed to name their group black sheep with pirates on board. Soon they just left captain to lead the team in conquering. We go and fight, we don't surrender. We're the best, we are the champions. We're the best, we are the champions. Go! Black sheep!
Guardians, are you ready?
Boom! Give way! Green Guardian is on the way! Boom! Give way! Green Guardian is on the way! Boom! Give way! Green Guardian is on the way! Green Guardian, Guardian! Green Guardian, Guardian! Tarara! Tarara! Boom! 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 Green Guardian, Guardian! Green Guardian, Guardian! Tarara! Tarara! Boom! 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 Don't you worry about the earth we're living. Don't you care for this station now. Love the world and just reuse, recycle. All you have to do is to be the guardian. Green Guardians, Guardians. Green Guardians, Guardians. Green Guardians, Guardians. Go fight, we fight. Green Guardians!
Yeah, bigyan natin ng palakpak ang mga Green Guardians. Kung ganyan naman.
5, 6, 7, go! Gumahataw lahat kami sabay-sabay. Gumahataw lahat kami sabay-sabay. Gumahataw lahat kami sabay-sabay. Go! Pink Panther! Go, go, Pink Panther! Go! Pink Panther! Go, go, Pink Panther! 5, 6, 7, go! Nandun na ang Group 3! Ang hapon, lagi mananalo.
patay. Bye-bye. Ayan, thank you, Mink Mother.
Sasara ang bulaklak, bubuka ang bulaklak. Sasara ang bulaklak, bubuka ang bulaklak. Alahan ng tama, sabayaw ng salsa. Bumtiyaya, bumtiyaya, bum blue team. Bumtiyaya, bumtiyaya, bum blue team. Let's get out! Papa Yummy! Papa Blue! Papa Yummy! Papa Blue! Let's get blue! Go! Amazing Blue Team!
Thank you very much. Sabi ko na ba yung mag-shot mo ba? Bakit?
1, 2, 3, go! Buga! 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 Yes!
R.E.D. Red Dragons! Buga buga! Let's go!
1, 2, 3, go! Andito na hindi lang dapat tayo. Andito na ang Dragon. Patalo. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Buga! Buga! Attention! 1, 2, 3, go! Buga! Buga!
Chinese New Year ka! Chinese New Year pala!
One, two, three, Red Dragons! Kay ma'am tayo, kay ma'am! Ay, kay ma'am!
Ayan ang lucky charm ninyo, lapitan ninyo.
Balik.
Ay, mahusay.
Oh, balik!
Lapit. Uy. Go. Baba, ako magsabi. Go. Baba, go.
Ano, para malaman ko rin yung napapasok nila.
Huwag pong
Master Champion!
Ang husay.
Master Champion!
Kaya mo yan!
Puro
Sige na, next!
Ayun sila. Dalawa na lang.
Sige, mamo. Usog. Ma'am,
red na una. Okay lang kayo.
Ayan na. Dali!
Bawal na ang meeting. Bawal na ang meeting. Ba ang hininga? Ayan. Kaya kinakailangan po natin ng 7. Sige po, pumili na po tayo ng 7 manlalaro. Okay na, nakapili na. May I see the yellow team? Yellow Lions. Wala nang yellow lion. Nandiyan, okay na po ba? May 7 na po? Okay, ang black sheep. Okay, ang nanayod.
Go, blue team!
Oy, balik. Go. Go on, Carmen. Up.
Ang kamay sa likod. Nakabanggaan na.
Yung magkumpare, oh.
Second sila.
Black, pangalawa. Third.
Okay lang, very demure yung blue team. Walang spirit of
Grabe siya.
My name is Maylene from Green Guardian. We fight. Go Green Guardian from Philippines. Naniniwala po ko sa kasabihan, kung wala kang dibdib, wala ka rin puwet.
Thank you, Green Team. My name wow, super skin.
Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ako nga pala ang representative ng Blazing Blue Team. Naniniwala ko sa kasabihan na kaya ako nandito sa inyong harapan na ituro lang ako and thank you.
I am horse volunteer. Thank you. Choice, men without gentlemen. Ako po ay mula sa Yellow Lion. Rawr. Nagulat ba kayo? Ako din po. Ibabalik ko na. Ito na. Babalik muna natin. Wait lang. Nag-aabang ba kayo? Ito na yung lalabas. Kasabihan na ba? Okay. Kasabihan. Ako'y naniniwala sa kaisang sabihan. Nag-iisang kasabihan na pagkaya gawin ng red team, blue team, green team, at black team. O ipagawa na natin sa kanila. Maraming salamat po. Thank you ate sa napakatagal mong introduction. Inugat na kami. 3. Bitaw facilitator. Bahala sila dyan. 3 minutes. Diyan ang nangyayari ang quiz facilitator. Pwede silang batuhin ng tubig. Walang nahawakan. Pwedeng may mangingiliti na facilitator. Bahagi yan ng laro. Pwede nyo silang isprayan ng tubig.
Hawakan yung legs pag hindi na kaya, ha? Hawakan yung legs pag hindi kaya.
Dirin yung pabo, Dahan-dahan lang. Dahan-dahan lang.
Hawakan yung legs pag hindi na kaya. Yung papa mo!
Pwede po umano yung number 2. Pwede po mapahinga ng konting pan. Wala pa ka lang. Wala pa ka lang.
1 minute 45 seconds.
Hawakan yung legs pag hindi kaya. Hawakan yung legs pag hindi kaya. Legs, hawakan legs. Hawakan legs.
Magdadagdagan po tayo ng minuto. Magiging nakang minuto na po. Hanggang walang sinisiko. Ang kaya nyo na.
Nasa akin yung balance sa kanila. Nasa akin yung balance. Hawakan
Ito papatay namin ang ball. Sige ba? Last 15 seconds. 15. 14. Wala naman, kapagpag yung iba. 10, 9, 8,